ni akong inahan. Bangus.
Bangus. I did have to call my mum prior to this just to ask what the heck I'm doing. Hey mum, I'm with Mama Moody.
Good morning, mga fish, mga vibe.
Smells like MSG.
Lami kayo.
Lami kayo.
Here we go. Be honest with us.
I like it.
Mamutag mga besh mga bay. Mamutag sa nitanan. Karong adlaw nami diri usab sa kusina ni Tita Margarita. Ayo. So mo ni akong inahan. Sa miyagi nakaluto kami og chicken adobo. Murag dili siya successful.
That's great. Just too much salt.
Yeah,
Too much salt daw. So dagan na comment na sobra kaayo ang salt na gibutang ni Tita Margarita.
But Mama Moody likes salt, so
She loves
to
salt.
each their own.
So in today's video, it's gonna be a little different. We are gonna cook
Talong.
talong, halong sa talong, aka we're
Sinigang.
cooking sinigang na baboy. So Mom Joey, she's never cooked this before. Margarita, she's never even tried it before. And I cooked this back in the day, back in like 2014.
And before you at me for being a Filipino who hasn't cooked sinigang, my mom doesn't like sour, so she never cooked it for me. I don't think I even ate sinigang before I met Carson.
Hawa ang mga haters diha.
Yeah, what?
I love sour.
Sige, so luto na ta. Sige, so kung gusto ninyo lutoon ang sinigang na baboy, amoy butang ang ingredients dire para inyo testingan. Pero karon, masubon ta sa pag-slice og
Onion.
onion, $35 para sa tanan. Diha sa Pilipinas, barato ra. Pero ang onion, ang Bombay, mahal diha daw.
500 pesos a kilo now?
Sus, mahal. Good luck diha. So we're gonna cut, we're gonna slice to prepare the saute. So we're gonna let Tita Margarita and Zoe do the honors right now. Want someone ka? Some money?
Hacks, my man Joey.
Fogging up there.
I can't see anything, but better, I can't smell anything.
Like claro.
Not recommended for asthmatics, which I am. So next up on the sinigang is some tomatoes or kamates. Believe it or not, I was a sandwich artist, but this is not a sandwich, this is a soup.
Sige, so atong gamiton ang pork belly kay mao ni siya ang kinahanglan basta sinigang na baboy. Bisan sa tinuod dili ko ganahan ani kay daghang tambok. Ganan ko lang sa unod pero para sa flavor daw.
Usually we have this with fish in the Philippines. I like isda.
Bangus!
Bangus! But I wouldn't know where to find bangus in the States. So we're gonna do it with pork, and I don't usually eat pork, but I'm gonna do it for the vid. We're sauteing the pork, onions, and kamates first. I did have to call my mum prior to this just to ask what the heck I'm doing, because I watched a YouTube video and it didn't seem right. So this is what my mum said to do. She is certified Filipino.
Do we need salt and pepper in it?
More salt. The salt queen.
I'll let you do
Don't.
it this time.
This is
Time to redeem
this
yourself.
is your honor.
Sobra, Tita Margarita.
I think more.
More?
I'm going to interrupt this regular programming to thank our sponsor for today's video, Strike. So, what is Strike? It is a payment app that lets you send money from the US faster and cheaper to places like the Philippines. It's fast, secure, and cheaper with no additional transaction fees. And you can send as little as $1. So, imagine this. Your family's in the US working abroad and you, back in the Philippines, want to buy an ice cream. So you can text your ate and be like, Ate, can I please have $1 for an ice cream? And using the Strike app, she can send that straight through to your bank account, or, best part, if you don't have a bank account, straight through to your Gcash.
Alright, so to show you guys how quick and fast this transaction is, I'm gonna send Zoe $1 from my Strike account straight to her Gcash.
Only $1?
That's all you get. Alright, so once I'm in the Strike account, all I do is pay, send globally, Philippines. Now, method. We're gonna send that straight to her Gcash.
Sick.
Phone number. Alright, so $1, here we go. Confirm, sent.
See how quick that was?
Would have
Come
been
on.
faster if she would have hurried and
Send me more.
refreshed it.
It's pretty much instant. Would have been faster if I was faster.
Alright, so if you're in the USA, make sure to sign up to Strike using my link in the description, or you can scan the old QR code here in the corner, and you'll get $5 when you make your first deposit. If you're not in the USA and you're in the Philippines, make sure you tell your family in the USA to download it, and they can send you the $5. Alright, so let's hurry and get back to the sinigang before it burns. Ta-da.
We have sauteed our pork and our tomatoes and onion, and now we're gonna add 8 cups of water. or water? That was 2. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
Bacon.
Bacon.
Well, isn't that what we put in, was bacon?
No. Pork belly.
Oh, I thought it was bacon. I'm like, this is really thick bacon. How about it?
Smells like MSG. In a good way, I love MSG.
Not really.
You're trying straight up the powder?
Ooh, that's good.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Or are you just
I
saying
like
that
it.
because the camera's running?
No, I like it.
That's strong. That's too strong.
I like it.
Sige, mo na siyang sabaw, 8 cups of water, and we just bukal, boil it, and then we'll add some more kwan. We'll add some veggies. So my mom has never seen one of these string beans before.
Out of all the exciting things we have here, she goes, "What's this? It's a bean."
All these ingredients are new to my mom, I guess. What's a lasa? Lame? What's the flavor?
Tastes like a radish.
Oh!
Simpleng buhay. Dili siya arte.
I am simple. These are delicious
Oh, you've had okra
when
before?
they're pickled. Need some salt.
Salt queen. Much better.
Much better. Much better with salt. For real.
Say, lami kayo. Lami
Lami
kayo.
kayo.
Lami kayo.
Lami kayo.
Okay, kayo.
Sige, so ako na bahala sa ani na radish. Ikaw bahala kung unsa ka baga.
Oh, not like that though.
Bagagnaon. Pares na ko. Ngana lang gyud.
Oh, cut your finger.
Yeah, you need
Basin-
to tuck your fingers in.
Basin maapil po ng tudlo.
Tuck your finger.
Oh, kana.
Yeah.
Sus.
Oh!
Kay pang bread man eh, pang tinapay. Dili siya pang kwan.
Do you want a smaller?
Radish.
Do you want a smaller knife?
Nah, this is good.
You could get real fancy. Watch this. Maybe it won't do it on this. Oh, it will. Watch.
What are you?
Splashing on me.
Hold on. Hold
This
on.
is a new technique
What is it?
for all y'all. What are you doing?
Just watch.
What do you mean?
Okay, now cut it.
I'm not sure what this is gonna do.
It makes a design.
Just a design?
Yes. See, look.
Oh, it's a nice design.
Social na radish. Social ni siya.
Okay, in goes the designed radish.
Kung walay design, walay lami.
Okay.
What do we say about the talong?
How long it?
Would you like to make a design on that one as well?
Yes. Someone get us a fork. So for any of you who didn't know, which is probably all of you except for Cousin's family, Margarita grew up on a potato farm. So this is why she knows all of these tips and tricks. Okay, so now we have the talong. Just throw them in. Eggplant, aubergine.
You know what? I don't think I've ever tasted an eggplant though.
Are you serious?
Really? Never ever?
I don't think
I'm
so.
not going to give you a raw one to taste. So, Margarita loves pickled okra. However, I'm letting her know, according to my mother, and it's whatever. But okra is really slimy on the inside, so when you put it in sinigang, you don't like chop it up a lot. You just chop the tip off. But
Where is she? But I can't touch her because I have allergies.
so, next ingredient after your okra is chilies, peppers, shishito, something like that. But you just leave them whole. I hate spicy, but they're not a bother to me in sinigang. They just add a little flavor. And if you want it spicy, you can just take one out and eat it.
Flavor.
Flavor Flav.
So many of you might know that I have started my own animal shelter in Kamigan, and I'm here with my biggest sponsor to date. So Mum and Rudy has been so supportive of all of my doggies, and she's a dog lover herself. You don't rescue, she grooms.
Groom.
She's groomed many dogs and rescued one cat, right?
And ducks.
And ducks, yeah.
And birds.
Yeah. She's just like me.
you.
Yeah, I get it from her. Up to now, she's been sending her money via PayPal, and when that happens, I lose quite a lot of it when I transfer it to my bank account, which when you're running a rescue, every dollar counts. So now, I'm excited, and she's excited that she can send me donations via Strike straight to my Gcash.
Ding.
So fast, so I'm stoked about that. Guys, we're calling in the big guns. I'm calling in my mum because I'm not sure how much fish sauce to use and it seems like a dangerous thing to meddle with.
Hello, baby.
She's here. Hey mum, I'm with Mum and Moody.
Good morning, mga fish, mga vibe.
I'm phoning a friend. How much fish sauce do I use?
Not much.
Just like a teaspoon or a tablespoon or a
Teaspoon.
teaspoon? Got it. Okay.
We bought this whole thing.
We bought
and we're
a
only-
whole thing for a
Oh,
teaspoon.
no.
Bye.
Thanks, Mum. Love you, Mummy. Oh my gosh.
Patay.
I have not ever smelled
Fish sauce.
fish sauce.
I think you'll like the smell. Not a fan.
It's so salty. It's good.
See?
The salt queen!
Fish sauce is the best. Yeah? Can't believe we bought this entire bottle.
Tungod niya kami diri sa USA, nalimot kami maglunag, magluto o kanon kay dili mi maayo mag-multitask. Pero syempre, bawal makaon og sinigang kun walay rice.
Bawal makaon of anything with walay rice.
Kun walay rice.
Kung walay rice. See, I was close. I was close.
So now that our sudan is almost done, we have to cook minute rice because dapat dali kayo pastilan. How did we forget?
So this ingredient is water spinach, aka kangkong, aka I'm not sure if there is a difference, but it'll do. The leaves go in last, but I'm just separating them from their stems to throw the stems in a little bit earlier.
This is the lazy version of rice. Minute rice, in
Wait.
1 minute or less.
Hey, hold on, it says minute, but it says ready in 5 minutes. It's a scam.
Dapat minutes rice.
Minutes.
Mga minute ba?
I seriously thought these were just chunks of bacon.
Really?
Yes.
Alright, taste test.
Aslam, but good. We added another half packet of tamarind sinigang soup mix. 1.5 packets. It's to taste. You need at least one, really. But we had quite a bit of water, so we added another half a packet. And it's so good.
So good.
So good.
So good. Sige, so humana ang kwan, humana ang sinigang namo. Amo testingan kung lami ni siya, kung ganahan akong mama sa akwang giluto. Dili man ako giluto, ila giluto man eh. So, tanaw na to. Dang, that's a lot. So this is a bit milky, I guess. That's what happens when you like boil it for a long time. I have no idea.
I like it milky though.
Last time I cooked this was, I believe, in 2016 when I was in college. Hopefully it turns out all right. Okay, margarita, so this is how it goes. You're gonna get your spoon. You're gonna pour a little bit of broth, a little bit of sabaw on the rice. Get a piece of pork, get some veggies, just kind of pile it on.
I haven't had Filipino food in
2 months.
2 months. Longest ever.
I do need some salt.
Here, put this close, I'm gonna give you more soup.
Oh, okay.
Salt for the salt queen.
Salt baby.
I'll taste it without first.
The ultimate test right here, if she likes the sabaw first. So, no,
Yeah.
let's go straight for the soup first. Grab your spoon.
Oh.
So notice how she's just using her fork. Diri sa USA, dili kami mo gamit og tinidor o kutsara at the same time. It's either tinidor or kutsara, but not both. So ako sa tudluan karon. So get your kutsara, your spoon.
I'm ready just.
Okay, and then just go for the soup. Here we go. Be honest with us. You can get another taste if you need it.
I like it.
Be honest.
Actually,
I am. Yeah, it's
Yeah?
sour. I like sour.
Promise.
Promise.
Honesto, promise.
Pinky swear.
Oh.
swear on your son's life.
I swear.
Ho ho!
On my son's life.
Which son though?
Yeah, this one or the
Hopefully
other
my
one?
brother. Ang sarap talaga. I'm gonna try it out, see if it tastes like the Philippines.
Yeah, I'm stoked.
That's good.
It's good. It's milkier than usual, I feel like thicker. But we put a lot of packet in. I think you probably could have done just with 1 packet, but
No.
you know my mom
Two.
loves the aslum, the sour.
Yeah,
I
that's
like it
good.
with the two.
Yeah?
And I like milkier. It just feels like not just sour tinola.
Yeah. How do you like it with the rice? You have to eat the proper way though.
Oh.
Spoon in your right,
Yeah.
I do?
fork in your left. Okay, now like kind of spread it out. Okay, now put the spoon down
Okay.
like this. See how it's like in front of me? Now the fork is gonna push it onto the spoon. Yep, and then you eat with the spoon.
Now I'm gonna get in trouble because I actually do it different.
No, you come.
I come from the back, so my fork is at the
You
back.
pull, not push.
Yeah. I meet like this.
Oh,
Which I just find
see, I just did
I just
that.
feel like that's neater.
Can I cut it? Because it's kind of
Use your spoon to
Big to pull apart.
It's just like you use it as like tongs, you know?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So that's why you hardly need a knife in the Philippines.
Okay.
Because you use the spoon as the knife. Just kinda
Unless
cut.
you're eating beef.
Unless it's beef and
Then you
it's...
need a machete.
you need a machete.
I do like this. This is good.
So let's ask her, do you prefer Sinigang Na Baboy or chicken adobo? She loves the adobo because she
No,
loves like sweet and sour pork.
Yeah, but this is sour, which
It's just different.
I really,
so.
yeah.
Do you
I
like
don't
them
know,
equally-ish?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
She really liked the chicken adobo. She actually made it a few times after I left her house, which means she actually liked it. She's not just saying it for the camera. And she put some pineapple in there because we all know that's the best.
Yeah, that was good.
I like sinigang way more than adobo. Only because when I was little, I ate so much adobo. Like,
got sick of it?
I got sick of it.
Nasumod, napulaan, nasumod, kay sobra iya gikaon.
Wait, what was this? The radish?
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, it's like a potato.
Oh wait,
Kinda.
try the, what's it called? The talong. I always forget. Talong.
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
It'll be that. Oh, I've got a good one. Here you go.
Tinidor. Oh, dako ba? Yeah, cut that in half though. That's
I'm like, with my spoon?
yeah, look.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then eat
still,
it?
still use your right hand to eat. There you go.
No, it just went down the wrong.
Do you like-
Yes, that's good.
Really?
I mean, everything ends up just tasting like sinigang because it
Yeah.
all just absorbs.
I enjoy this a lot. And I like it with the rice. Except for I'm not very good with this way of
Kangkong?
eating.
Yeah.
I don't know. This stringy.
Props
I
to
like
them.
it.
They pretty much cooked it all. I bought all the ingredients, you know, so everyone has a role.
Sugar daddy. Sugar son.
All right, so that is our cooking vlog. If you want to watch our last cooking vlog with chicken adobo, you know, I'll put it at the end of this video. You can check that out. But also make sure to check out the Strike app, especially if you're in the US or if you have family or loved ones in the US. Have them download Strike using our link in the description.
Remember, you'll get 5 buckaroonies.
$5.
With your first deposit.
That'll get you a few cornatos.
What? Cornettos.
Cornatos.
Corn dogs?
Ice cream.
Oh,
Corn dogs.
Legit, that's what we're gonna be using from now on to send money. If I need to send money to myself to use in the Philippines, or send money to Zoe's family so they can help with the dog sanctuary. So it's just a great way. And
I'll buy him an ice cream.
hey, check that out.
And so if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. It is very helpful for us.
Yes,
if you
dako
do
siya
that.
natabang. You don't even need to subscribe, just hit that like button.
Yeah. Thank you.
Dagan salamat. Sige. So, salamat usab sa pagtanaw. Og
Halong sa talong.
halong sa talong. Peace. Amping mo tanan.
That was good.
It is good, I promise. I'm surprised that I like all this chunkiness
Yeah.
and stuff. And the sour is good.
Ayo, ayo.